Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading regular weekly vlogs, but my boyfriend's here from Perth, so I've just been spending some time with him, and to be honest, we haven't really done anything vloggable, like anything exciting or whatever these past couple weeks. But I've got a few exciting things on this week, so I decided to vlog. I think I'm gonna make a chia seed pudding for tomorrow's breakfast. And yeah, I'm just gonna set this camera up somewhere. I just use the So Good almond milk, no added sugar. So I've actually never had chia pudding before, so I just got a little jar here. I'll fill it about halfway with this, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then I'm gonna add in some of this BioGlen Inner Glow Collagen Beauty Water. I'll speak about these in a second, but I recently got sent heaps of products from them, so I thought I would share with you because they're super cool. They even have a product for ketoers like myself, which is bone broth. So I will let you guys know about these products after I finish making the chia seed pudding. So I've just put in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and now I'm going to put about half of this of almond milk. Use this to stir it up. Then I'm going to grab my beauty powder. It says recommended 2 teaspoons. So I might put in 1 because this meal is probably going to be at least 5 or 6 grams of carbs. Alright, so 1 teaspoon. It goes the most awesome blue color. It's so cool once it's set. What I used before was the Inner Glow Collagen Beauty Powder. So you can use this and you can make it into like ice cubes and just make it with water. Or you can do what I did and make a chia seed pudding. What this product contains is hydrolyzed collagen, aloe vera, coconut water, blue spirulina, natural vitamin C, and zinc with a lemon flavor. It actually tastes really nice. So the benefits for this powder just helps nourish and assist the appearance of skin, glowing skin, strong nails, and shiny hair. So yeah, I've been using that the past couple of weeks, and yeah, I really like it. I'm about to take my keto chia seed pudding out the fridge. I'm going to deposit it into here and add a tablespoon of almond butter and blend it in, and then I'll transfer it into a prettier little container and then add all of my toppings. So adding a tablespoon of almond butter. Okay, not gonna lie, it did kind of take away the nice blue color because I mixed in the almond butter. Yeah, I'm gonna add some low carb granola, a few macadamias, a few hemp hearts, and then I've got some strawberries to go on top as well. So this is the final chia seed pudding. So I put in some low carb granola, macadamia nuts, strawberries, the chia seeds with almond milk, and the BioGlen beauty powder, and then hemp hearts. This comes to probably like 6 grams of carbs, something different because I normally just have eggs and bacon, so I'm excited to try this. Hey guys, I'm in Perth. I know it's been a while since I spoke to the camera, but I haven't really been vlogging since being in Perth, just because I haven't really gotten up to much exciting. So I was like, I'm not gonna vlog if I'm not doing anything. Anyways, I brought my BioGlen products with me to Perth. I've actually really been loving the bone broth. For those that don't know what bone broth is, and you probably wouldn't know if you don't follow the keto diet. So it's basically used to support and firm skin elasticity. Can't say that word, but I've recently been actually putting it in with my coffee. It's got like a beefy flavor, but I really like it, and I actually made one here. And because I'm doing a meal plan at the moment, I'll show you guys. I've actually also put some butter in my coffee. I'm actually gonna taste it now. It tastes so good. It kind of just tastes like, you know those beef noodles, like the instant noodles? It just tastes like that water that's in it. But yeah, I've really been liking this. I've just been adding 1 teaspoon in with my coffee, or sometimes I would just have it alone once a day. It's got good macros. It doesn't have any sugar. It's got 0.1, but carbs 0.5, so it definitely does fit in with my macros for the day. I also did bring their charcoal mask and also their beauty powder, which you can mixed with water, and I'll show you guys that in a second. I think I'm gonna do a face mask because my face needs a bit of loving, so I'm gonna put that on and show you guys what it looks like on. So I just put on the activated charcoal beauty powder face mask. This can also be used to whiten your teeth, or you could either mix this in with water. I don't put it up here because I don't really have that many clogged pores. But yeah, you just mix a little bit of this in with some water, create a little clay, and then just pop it on for like 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna go get my beauty powder from the kitchen and show you guys how I use that one. I just mix it in with water and it's amazing. So I just scrubbed off my face mask. These are actually all just like scarring at the moment, like not actual pimples, but my skin is actually glowing after that face mask. It looks so like inflamed and stuff because I was like fully scrubbing it off. Tip: use baby wipes to like take off the first couple of layers and then go in with your face wash. But oh my god, this area does not look pretty, but my skin feels so soft, I can't get over it. Last item that I wanted to mention is this collagen beauty powder. But basically what you can do with this powder is mix it with water, or you can also mix it in with your smoothies. So this magic stuff reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and also skin elasticity. I literally can't say that word. So I just put in 1 level scoop. Comes with a scooper in some water. Mix it all up. This beauty powder has no flavor, as opposed to the blue one, the marine collagen powder, which I use to make my chia seed pudding. That has like a lemony flavor, but you can also mix that in with water. But anything to help my skin, I will drink. So yeah, I just thought I'd quickly mention those couple products that I've taken with me to Perth. Oh my god, my skin is so inflamed. It's gonna feel so good tomorrow. So yeah, I will speak to you guys probably when I'm in Sydney. Hey guys, so I just got to Melbourne. Not supposed to be here at all. I'm actually supposed to be in Sydney, but the weather was too dangerous to land in Sydney from Perth, so it was diverted to Melbourne, and I'm here in a hotel in Melbourne until they open the airport and start flights from Melbourne to Sydney or wherever to Sydney. So yeah, it's 10:30 p.m. I just ordered room service. I ordered a steak and veggies. I'm so hungry. I literally haven't eaten since breakfast, and I only had like 3 scrambled eggs and an avo. I'm in a bit of a dilemma because I have a meetup tomorrow with Makeup Net at the Beauty Expo from 12 to 2 in Sydney. So I'm hoping and praying that I get an email from Virgin saying I'm on the next flight to Sydney. Hopefully it's a 6 a.m. flight. I honestly have not heard anything from them. I only got here like 20 minutes ago or whatever, so obviously they're not gonna sort anything out in that amount of time. But my flight was delayed by 2 hours. It's just been, oh, it's been a mission. I just hope I can get to my meetup tomorrow. But if I'm not there tomorrow, I'll definitely be there Sunday. But I was just so excited because my friend flew from the Gold Coast, who I haven't seen. Hold on, room service is here. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. So I ordered steak and veggies. Let's see if they... Oh, so if you guys don't know, I do the keto diet. So I ordered broccolini, side of garlic aioli, a steak, and a side of butter. And this is what I got. Yum. I'm so excited. Good morning guys, it's now Saturday. I got a update for my flight. So the next flight doesn't fly out of Melbourne until 4:45, so unfortunately I won't be able to do my meetup today. But I'm doing 2 meetups tomorrow instead, from 10 to 12 and 1 to 3. Even though this probably won't be relevant to you because it'll be over. But I'm just going to make the most of being stuck in Melbourne and go do some shopping. So yeah, I just got ready. I'm gonna go check out now and then obviously be back in time to go to the airport because I do not want to miss that flight. I've got all my luggage here. I'm about to go and check out. Can't forget my jacket. Gonna go shopping. I haven't actually been properly like shopping in Melbourne yet because every time I've come for events and haven't really had time to go shopping. So I am super keen to check out the shops. I've always heard good things about Melbourne shopping, so let's go. guys, we're here with Makeup Net. How cool is this bag?